Good morning, my honorable judges. I'm Anggreni as the first researcher.
I'm Sasmita as the second researcher.
We are from SMP and Tripayangan, Gianyar, Bali. Today we are going to present the result of our research. The title of our research is Bersih. Bersih is a prototype product that is used to remove the trash in the river to the rubbish bin automatically using a belt conveyor that is generated by a turbine using the reverse current. The idea to conduct this research because of two reasons. The first reason is we found that there are lots of trash in the river. The second reason is we found that the trash separator in our village is still static, means that only use wire or wood as the separator. From that reason, we want to make a prototype product that will be tested to know whether Bersih effective or not to remove the trash automatically. We use dig and carry theory to conduct this research. We follow several steps, namely need analysis, drafting, designing the product, group discussion, revision, expert judgment, revision, field test, revision, group discussion, and prototype product.
The purpose of conducting the development on Bersih was to know how to develop effective prototype product which is followed the procedure from R&D model. First, we conducted need analysis in order to identify the existing trash separator that have been used in the river, especially in Selat village. From the result of the observation and informal interview, we found that the trash separator in Selat river is still static. Next, the process was developing draft 1 and designing the material, namely belt conveyor, fan belt, and a turbine. From the result of the revision and draft 2, then we conducted an expert judgment. From the result of the expert judgment, we find out the weaknesses of prototype product. The revision were emphasized into 3 points, namely the revision toward the blade using volume blade, the revision toward the axle using iron that has been lated, and the revision toward the belt conveyor using cars carpet. After the revision 2, the prototype product was tried out in the river in order to see the effectiveness that have been revised and modified. From the result of the field test, the researcher found that the prototype product was effective to remove the trash from the river to the rubbish bin using belt conveyor and a turbine which generated by water energy from reverse current automatically. From the result of the analysis, revisions, and suggestion from the expert judgment and the teacher, the final prototype product was produced and we named it as Bersih. From the all process on following the R&D model, some conclusions can be drawn. First, the existing trash separator that have been used on the river in Selat Buhan Kajau village did not help much the people to overcome the trash problem. Second, the appropriate type of turbine that need to be developed was modified the turbine using volume blade and modified the axle using iron which had been lated. Third, the appropriate type of belt conveyor that need to be developed was using cars carpet. Implication and suggestion. It is suggested that the application of Bersih is very flexible. As long as the river can carry the trash, Bersih can work effectively. Don't worry about the big river or small river, even the dry river. Bersih can be a design based on the river, means that the big the river, the big the product. The result of this study may need further improvement since the field test was a limited field test. Well, that's all our presentation. Thank you so much.